Good evening. London equities closed mixed but constructive. The FTSE 100 slipped 0.25% to 10,868 after hitting a fresh record intraday high near 10,989, while the DAX and CAC 40 finished slightly higher. The dominant theme is rotation, not risk-off. Energy led as WTI pushed above $84 and Brent approached 90, lifting Shell and BP more than 1.5%. Defensives lagged. Unilever fell 2.25%. L'Oreal dropped nearly 2%, and AstraZeneca, Diageo, and GSK all finished lower. Money is moving out of consumer staples and into cyclicals and energy. Precious metals sold off hard. Gold dropped 1.5% to 4,100 even as the dollar index barely gained. Silver fell 2.33% to 57.65. This is a classic bull market shakeout. Gold is holding the key 4,100 level after rallying from the 4,160 area. A close below 4,075 signals further downside toward 4,020, but the uptrend remains intact above that zone. Palladium fell over 2% to 1,279. The precious complex is catching its breath after a parabolic run. Industrial metals were flat to slightly lower. Copper slipped to 6.46. Aluminum and zinc barely moved. Tungsten dropped over 2% to 15.96, extending its pullback after the earlier supply-driven surge. This is consolidation, not distribution. The demand narrative tied to infrastructure and AI build-out remains intact. Earth materials ETFs all finished lower. Uranium fell 1.33% to 39.21. Lithium dropped nearly 1% to 69.23. And copper miners declined 1.1% to 78.60. Same theme as precious metals, profit-taking after strong runs. Crypto is under pressure. Bitcoin fell 3% to 62,870. Ethereum lost 2.85% to 1,864. This looks like a range-bound shakeout, not a new downtrend. BTC is still consolidating between the low 60s and mid-60s. ETF flows and risk sentiment dictate the next leg. 3 setups stand out for Monday. First, buy gold on a dip toward 4,060 to 4,080 with a stop below 4,020. Second, long WTI crude with a target of 87 on supply tightness, stop below 82. Third, buy Bitcoin at current levels with a stop below 61,500. Invalidation is a weekly close below that level. Energy is the strongest cyclical theme right now. Watch US PMI data Monday morning and any headlines on Ukraine Patriot missile licensing. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.